This is Noah from screenprintexchange.com. I have this old Paslode impulse nailer that I used on trips when I didn't have an air compressor. It runs on gas and battery, and I recently tried selling it because I'm not doing as much crating as I want to. So I found out that you can no longer buy these framing fuel old style ones, and this fixture on top no longer works. So they do not sell, Paslode does not sell a new version of this that will work. They should have kept on making this cartridge and this, but they want to sell new stuff. And being that they own this market, they can do it. There are new battery operated ones, but they're still way too heavy. So I scoured the internet and found a new adapter like this. And this one spins on the new framing fuel. But if you wait longer in the video, you'll see another option where you can still use this on the new style one. And I'll show you, but you have to wait to the end. So I'm going to show you that it works. Sometimes this nail gun has a mind of its own. Enjoy the donut pants. So here we go. And it's acting up. There you go. So it does fire and it does work. So that's the nail gun. It's for sale. Maybe it needs a little tune-up. I'm not sure. So anyhow, so I bought this fuel at Home Depot last night. So here it is. It's the same size canister, but this one screws on. I guess it's a good design because maybe you use less fuel or when you unscrew it, and you can put the top back on, how it came. So maybe that's a benefit. Good for them if they came out with that. But they should have supported their other machines, their other nail guns. So you just slide it on. So that's how this works, and it still goes. I think I have this turned upside down, I'm not sure. And you push it in and you're good to go. And you saw that it worked with this one. And you could see, well, I don't have the other one with me right now. This one is actually not as wide as it, but here as this one. But if you notice, and you do this at your own volition, and you must be safe to do it, but this is the new insert. This is the same canister as this. If you want to use the black one, you probably could get away with it. And if you're safe, I'm not telling you to do this, do it safely. You could take this new insert out by cutting it out safely, maybe. Remember, you're working with a gas can, and it can explode. But it's the same thing, except there's a plastic insert that twists in and out. So you possibly can use the black one if you have them. Or you can buy these. I got these from eBay. The guy imports them. And I'll put the link on there so you can buy them. So you don't have to give Paslode any more money except for gas. And you can use your old Paslode. So that's the video. Like it. I'm going to do more videos on this thing, and we will show how it works in action. Thank you, and like and follow the channel. Thank you. Bye.